How to make money with affiliate marketing in 2025. In this video session, I'll introduce you to affiliate marketing as well as share with you tips and insights to use to grow as an affiliate marketer. There is many platforms and many products that you can promote, and when someone purchases that product through your efforts, then you earn a commission. That's affiliate marketing. Places like Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program, you can sign up, read their terms, create your profile, and grab the links for some products. But some people may suggest to you to look for bestsellers in Amazon Marketplace. That may be ideal in some cases, but remember, Amazon is a closed ecosystem. So you need to be very thoughtful of the products that you select to promote. There is other platforms like CJ.com or even Impact.com. These are large marketplaces most affiliate marketers use because many brands use these platforms. So it's definitely worth checking either one out. Ideally, you want to select a product that you yourself use or you would recommend to your family and friends instead of just focusing on earning just money. Because at the beginning, it's going to take a bit of time for you to build affiliate marketing business. Because if you're beginning, you're not going to just sign up and within a week earn a decent income. It's going to take a bit of time. So therefore, you need to be passionate about the products that you're promoting. So where can you promote the products? The best place to start is your own website. Now, when you want to make money through affiliate marketing, you need to do a bit of research. Research into the products, research into the company. Then you have tools such as Google Trends, but the most powerful one is Google Search Box because it will tell you what people are searching for. Let's imagine this scenario. GoDaddy versus type of keywords are great if you're beginning, because not many people understand how to drive website traffic. You can easily create content and compare products, because people usually want to compare products. Or you can say GoDaddy reviews, but that is for my example. For your example, it will be different. Just replace the keyword. Okay, versus as an example. Because Rankia works on internet and I use many different web hosting service providers, it's so very easy for me to create all these type of content. Then I'll enjoy free website traffic because I've created the content. To earn an income on internet, you have to have content that is original and useful in 2025. If you've been affiliate marketing, then don't just grab the product images from the company website, but rather either create them yourself so that the product images are original, or even use AI tools to generate the image that is original and you can easily modify, because Google loves original content. Then you have tools such as Google Keyword Planner, whereby you can easily find the type of keywords that people are searching for. If you're beginning as an affiliate marketer in 2025, don't look at the keywords that has a lot of competition, but rather perhaps select the niche specific keywords to target. Because for you to promote anyone's product, you need to drive website traffic. And Google still is the best way to drive free website traffic. All you need is the content. Having said that, you can promote products on Facebook as well. But when you do, the way Facebook works is that people, they don't like to be sold to. But you can create something that's interesting and enticing and indirectly promote the product. What does that mean? In our web hosting example, I can create content, say, top 5 web hosting companies for Australian businesses in 2025. Make sense? Promote that. And if someone's interested, surely they will then come and find my website, through which I can create links to my affiliate partners, whether it's DreamHost, affiliate marketing, or others. Creating a website in 2025 is a straightforward process and is affordable as well. As long as you have access to cPanel, you can, with few clicks, create your website. I recommend using WordPress because it's straightforward and very easy. You can create a beautiful looking website with just 3-4 clicks by using either free themes or premium themes. So, if you've been affiliate marketing and you want to grow it, I'll share additional tips with you right now. If you're creating videos, video description can include a link to your website or other parts of internet, including your affiliate links within the description of the video. If you do place links within the description, make sure they are visible in the first 100 character space. Then, having your website is smart, but if you just do that, perhaps that may not be good enough for some affiliate marketers. What you then want to do is create a website that's related to the product that you're promoting, and you can use that additional website to send out links to your social profiles or even your own website. When you choose that option, it will be affordable, but it will be worth it. As in, when you register the domain, make sure you have keywords within the domain portion. And that new website has to be original and useful as well. It's only going to take you an hour, but the results will be worth it. Because when you create content, you want to make it easy for people to share. But you can also create a different website that's keyword rich in the domain and send backlink, 1 or 2 is good enough, to your money-making pages. Once again, in 2025, you want to drive traffic to your website or social media profiles for you to promote the products, right? Because if people don't find you, how can you earn a commission? But when you do, then you want to make sure the content is original and useful. As I've said, you can promote on YouTube, but that's not good enough. You still have to have your website. Because even if you promote on YouTube, then when you embed the videos here, that's going to boost the ranking for those videos. Then definitely consider having additional 1 or 2 websites that has keywords within the domain portion. Registering websites is straightforward and it's affordable. Usually $10 or $20 per year, and it'll give you 1 year. And that's actually good enough to build momentum, right? And you want to use those additional websites as a couple of backlinks. Then Google search box is your friend. You need to play around with it to say, okay, what are people searching? What are they comparing? What are they reviewing? And once you identify that, Then you create content and you enjoy free website traffic so that people can come find the content and click on the links that you promote on your website. As you know, 2025 online business world is changing. So therefore we want to get in there and take advantage of earning our income as an affiliate marketer. And these are the tips that I can share with you because I know these insights will work for any product. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.